Today we are going to explore some of the most fascinating and mind-boggling facts about the life on Earth and in the universe. Are lobsters really immortal at any point? Is it true that at least 1 million people die from mosquitoes a year? Pluto hasn't still made one full orbit around the Sun since it was discovered. This and two more secret facts will be reviewed in this video. My name is Mitchel. Let's go. Indeed, lobsters do not die of old age in the same way that humans and many other animals do. While most animals have a finite lifespan and eventually die of natural causes, lobsters appear to be biologically immortal. Lobsters are able to continue to grow and reproduce throughout their entire lives, which can last for several decades. As they age, lobsters may become weaker and more vulnerable to disease or predation, but there is no specific point at which they die of old age. However, lobsters are still subject to a variety of other factors that can cause them to die prematurely. This can include disease, predation, environmental factors, and human activities such as overfishing. So while it's true that lobsters do not die of old age, their longevity is not a guarantee of a long and healthy life. It is true, but not entirely. The first trees to evolve on Earth didn't have any natural enemies that could break them down. However, bacteria that are capable of decomposing wood have been around for a very long time. Some of the earliest evidence of food decomposing bacteria comes from fossils of ancient trees that show signs of having been attacked by microbes. Bacteria that are capable of breaking down wood, such as the species that cause white rot or brown rot, are thought to be evolved millions of years ago. It is possible that the original statement refers specifically to the first trees that evolved on Earth, which would have existed long before wood decomposing bacteria. However, it is important to note that this statement is not entirely accurate for the vast majority of trees that have existed throughout Earth history. The time it takes for a pineapple to grow and ripen can vary depending on a variety of factors, such as climate, soil quality, and cultivation practices. In general, it takes about 20 months for a pineapple plant to produce a mature fruit. However, some varieties of pineapples can take as little as 16 months, while others may take up to 3 years. It is also worth noting that pineapples are not grown from seeds, but from the crown of mature fruit. This means that the time it takes to grow a pineapple also includes the time it takes to grow the parent plant, from which the crown is harvested. Mosquitoes are known to transmit a variety of diseases, including malaria, dengue fever, yellow fever, and Zika virus, among others. These diseases can cause serious illness and even death in some cases. According to the World Health Organization, malaria alone caused an estimated 400,000 deaths in 2019, most of which occurred in sub-Saharan Africa. Other mosquito-borne diseases also contribute to a significant number of deaths each year, but the total number is difficult to quantify. It is important to note that while mosquito-borne diseases can be deadly, they are also largely preventable. Measures such as mosquito control programs, insecticide-treated bed nets, and vaccines can help to reduce the spread of these diseases and save lives. That is true. Pluto has not made a full orbit around the Sun since it was discovered in 1930. Pluto has an orbital period of 248 Earth years, meaning it takes that amount of time for it to complete one full orbit around the Sun. Since Pluto was discovered in 1930, it has only completed about 1/3 of its first full orbit. And that's it for today. I hope at least one of the facts blew your mind and you got a thought like, hey dude, really? Don't miss out on my next video where I will give you the answers to these questions. Are cows more dangerous than sharks? Does Earth have more trees than stars in the Milky Way? And others. My name is Mitchel. See you in the next video.